today we're gonna talk about laundry. I know, boring household stuff, but when you are in an RV, doing laundry is not as easy and straightforward as it otherwise might be if you live in a house or in an apartment. I considered a lot of different options when it came to how I was going to do my laundry, but eventually I decided I was just going to let it go, and once I start RVing I could make a decision about what I wanted to do. I went to Arizona. I was at a park that I hated, by the way. People were super racist there. I actually ran into the Confederacy. I had to drive to the laundromat, and not only that, but they didn't always dry my clothes properly. To make matters worse, I was in anti-mask Arizona. I mean, these people literally fought to have their mask mandate removed, and this was in right outside of Kingman in Mojave County, which is the most redneck and racist county of Arizona. If you're pissed that I say that, I don't care. I don't care what you have to say in the comments. That is my personal experience. I've been to 30 states so far, and to say that I came from Georgia here, that is the most racist place I have ever been. Like blatantly racist. But anyways, then I got to California, and there I also had to drive to that laundromat. The machines were better, but it was super pricey. I remember once I caught up on all the laundry I didn't do in Arizona, I spent like $25-30 on laundry, and I was just like, that was the last time. I started washing things more inside the RV and basically asking myself, like, what are my options? I try to let my clothes soak. I go ahead and start what I call my first wash cycle. My mom thinks this is absolutely hilarious, but that's what I call it because that's my washing machine. What I do is I basically plunge the laundry in the bucket, and I enjoy it. Being able to put my body to use, I cannot complain. I am grateful. It is free exercise. After my first wash cycle, if my clothes isn't completely clean or I don't feel comfortable with them being completely clean, especially if I'm washing towels, maybe I'll do a second wash cycle. Sometimes I rinse with the water on, sometimes I don't. It depends on how soapy the water is, which generally depends more on the type of material than how much soap I actually use. So like towels that are more absorbent tend to soak up all that soap, and so they need a few more rinse cycles. Once I'm sure I've gotten all the soap out, what I do is I add my fabric softener so that everything smells so nice and clean. And then I let it soak again. Once my clothes is done soaking in the nice fabric softener, I do the final rinse. The next order of business is getting water out of the clothes. So the line that I have, I actually put it behind this, and it runs all the way into the bathroom. I also have hooks at other places around the RV so that I can be more flexible about where I stretch the line and where I hang my clothes. A spin dryer is really good. I think it does a great job of getting the clothes as close to dry as possible. So from there, I take everything out and I just hang out my clothes. Once I've done that, I've opened the windows and doors inside the RV. There are some days when I just decide I'm going to wash all day. I'm going to do all the laundry. And as you can see, I have a small bucket, so that's about 3 loads for the day. I get up in the morning, I make breakfast first, and then I go do the laundry and hang out the clothes. By the time it's lunchtime, the clothes are dry, so I take them down and go make lunch, and then put up another set. And by dinner time, those are dry. So I make dinner and I put up another set. If you are also RVing, or you're doing van life, or you live in a really small apartment, or you have a tiny home, and you also have to find alternative ways of doing laundry that does not involve paying a laundromat, by all means share your tips and tricks in the comments. I love my setup. I don't think I'm going to change it anytime soon, but I am always open to hearing what other people have to say. And of course, somebody else can benefit from that information even if I don't decide to apply it. So share away. I'm sorry Samson and Chateau didn't make an appearance in this video, but Chateau is actually behind this, which is my Murphy bed, taking a nap, and Samson doesn't do laundry. But that's it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!